Hello everyone, welcome back to our HSK Level 1 Chinese class. I hope you are doing great and practicing daily. Today we are going to learn 我是坐飞机来的. Here is the Chinese name. 我是坐飞机来的. I came here by air. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to talk about past actions, how to say when and where we met someone, how to describe transportation, how you came, and how to make complete past sentences in Chinese. So let's begin step by step. First of all, we have a little warm-up activity. So let's start. 飞机, it's mean aeroplane. Second one is 出租车 means taxi. The answer is F. The third one is 大学, it's mean university. The answer is A. The fourth one is 饭店, it's mean hotel, restaurant, and the answer is E. Think means to listen. The answer is B. And the sixth one, 开车, it's mean drive. The answer is C. So let's moving forward. Our first text. 在看书旁 at the dining table. 你和李小姐是什么时候认识的 When did you and Miss Lee first meet? 我们是2011年9月认识的 We met in September 2011. 你们在哪认识的 Where did you meet each other? 我们是在学校认识的。他是我大学同学。We met in our university. She was my classmate. So we have three new words in this session. First one is 认识. It's mean to meet or to know. Second one is 年 means year. The third one is 大学 means college, university. Let's moving forward to the second sentence. Here we 在饭店门口 outside a hotel. 你们是怎么来饭店的 How did you come here? 我们是坐出租车来的 We came by taxi. 李先生呢 What about Mr. Lee? 他是和朋友一起开车来的 He drove here with his friend. And we also three new words in this session. The first one is 饭店 mean hotel or restaurant. Second one is 出租车 means taxi or cab. And the third one is 一起 means together. Now it's time to the third and last text. 很高兴认识您，李小姐。Nice to meet you, Miss Lee. 认识你，我也很高兴。Nice to meet you too. 听张先生说，您是坐飞机来北京的。Mr. Chang said you came to Beijing by plane, didn't you? 是的, yes, I did. And we have three new words in this session also. 高兴 means glad or happy. The second one, think means to listen. The third one is 飞机 means airplane. So today we learned how to talk about past time when, how to talk about place where, how to explain transportations in how, and important structure of she and the. This structure is very important in Chinese grammar. That's all for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep practicing Chinese every day. Bye bye.